Carnival Cruise Line is frequently labeled as the worst cruise line in the industry. But is it really? As someone who's been sailing for nearly 15 years, I've been on multiple Carnival ships, and I think some critics have it wrong. Carnival is one of the more budgeted-oriented cruise lines in the industry, which leads to a mix of praise for its affordability and heavy criticism for its overall experience. You hear complaints all over the reviews and social media, portraying it as rowdy and poorly managed, compared to competitors like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian. I'm going to break down some of these common complaints from reviewers. Rowdy and trashy atmosphere. Many reviewers describe Carnival as attracting a party-heavy crowd with excessive noise, loud music, heavy drinking, and disruptive behavior or fights. Critics say the cruise line attracts those seeking a cheap, booze-fueled vacation, leading to a decline in standards. Well, that can happen on any cruise line that's serving booze. And it doesn't happen on every sailing. You may experience during spring break. And keep in mind there are so many other areas to hang out other than near bars. Poor food quality and upcharging. The included dining is often called terrible, with complaints about the buffet and dining room options being the worst. Extra fees for better meals, drinks, internet, and specialties add up quickly, making the affordable fares feel deceptive. All cruise lines upcharge for additional services, so singling out Carnival is not fair. The price of the cruise does not include extras such as specialty dining, drinks, or Wi-Fi. In addition, they have added new restaurants to nearly all their ships. Some include Guy's Burger Joint, Shack's Big Chicken, the Seafood Shack, and more. Carnival has upgraded all of its ships, including the decor, like you see here on their Mardi Gras vessel. This was done a few years ago, and the room layouts are standard and no different than other cruise lines. Subpar entertainment and service. Entertainment is a hit or miss, calling it poor or limited on certain ships. Customer service gets slammed for being unresponsive, with issues like ignored refunds or undelivered services or excursions. Well, first, I've never experienced a problem with Carnival's entertainment. It's very similar to what other cruise lines offer. And the entertainers take their jobs very seriously and are talented. I've always been happy with their theater presentations. And as far as customer service goes, I've never had any issues, but I'm not saying that there's some out there that haven't had issues. But I personally have not experienced bad service. And if you're getting value from this video, let me know by clicking on the like button below. Carnival's appeal lies in its value, affordable fares, a large fleet with multiple departure ports, and a fun atmosphere for families or groups seeking casual entertainment. Staff are often praised as polite and efficient, food variety is decent for the price, and the newer ships offer better experiences. Some cruisers prefer it over pricier lines for its relaxed, energetic atmosphere. And if you've never been on the Carnival Mardi Gras, I highly recommend it. It's a complete game changer. It features one of the best ship's layout I've ever seen. The design of this ship is well thought out. So whether Carnival is the worst cruise line depends on your own experiences. I am always optimistic about cruising and enjoy sailing. So book a cruise and enjoy yourself. And by the way, subscribe if you haven't already to receive these updates, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'm Andy Hodges for Cruiser's Choice.